All right. Let's see. 18 here. Which pair of waves will produce a resultant with the smallest amplitude? So this is constructive and destructive interference. So they're giving you a solid line wave and a dotted line wave, and they're asking you, you want the smallest amplitude. Well, if you look at number one, if those two waves were together, it would be constructive interference, all right? And it would produce something like this, okay? If we looked at these two, well, here it'd be destructive, but it wouldn't be that small. It'd be something like this with the red line. Okay, if we look at this one, well, this would be complete destructive interference. They'll cancel each other out completely, so that's probably going to be the answer. And then finally this one, well, it would be partial and then constructive and then some destructive. I'd probably have to sit here and think about that one for a while. Let's see, 19. Which diagram represents a wave moving toward the right side of the page? Which shown below could produce a standing wave? So remember, in order to be a standing wave, right, one of those peanut-looking things, right, remember they have the nodes and the antinodes. In order to be a standing wave, really what it is it's two waves that are equal in amplitude, equal in frequency, equal in wavelength, but the only thing different is that they're in opposite directions. The green wave is that way, the red wave is that way. So to be a standing wave, everything is equal except for the direction, so it's got to be 3. Because that's the same as this wave, it's just opposite direction. All right, let's see, 20 and 21. The frequency of a wave is 2 cycles per second, so that's our F. The speed is 0.04 meters per second. The period, okay, so period, T, that's 1 over frequency, so that's equal to 1 over 2, which is 0.5, or half. So that's 3. And then let's open this last one up. What do we got here? Don't save that. Resize. All right. The wavelength of the wave is, so speed equals frequency times wavelength. The speed was 0.04. The frequency was, let's see here, I forgot already. 2 times the wavelength. So you want the wavelength divided each side by 2. 0.04 divided by 2 is going to be 0.02. All right. Good luck, guys. It's off to haiku for me.